Right. See what I get. God, it's loud.
Thank you for calling the Whirlpool Customer Experience Center. Let's begin. Which would you like?
Yes,
Say
let's
customer
begin.
service. Sorry, I didn't
Fuck, I
catch
just
that. Sorry, I misunderstood. For an appliance you already own, press 1. For information on new products or to purchase accessories such as water filters, press 2. Para continuar en español, marque el 8.
It would be under accessories, right?
Sorry, I didn't hear that. For an appliance you...
I'm doing accessories.
Please hold while your call is transferred.
Accessories, here I come.
If you are a consumer inquiring about a new appliance, please press 1. If you are a business or trade customer representative, press 2.
To improve our level of service, your call may be monitored or recorded.
Oh, we got some good music going up in here again. What? Alright. If they say that they're recording me, I'll just be like, yeah, I'm recording you too. Bitch. Change color scheme. Alright. Oh, you could tell that the World of Warcraft guy was getting mad. Yeah. Oh, Fire Panda. Look at my bio. It's got the link to the World of Warcraft prank video in it. It's hilarious. Oh yeah, 'cause that's just music and me talking to the party. Oh, it's like 3. Yeah. I have 2 subscribers right now. That's you, and then that's another guy that I found on the Tekken. Yeah. I have like 3 other YouTube accounts, so I'm just gonna have them subscribe. Hang on. Gotta run over all of my Turtle Beach cords.
We apologize for your wait. Your call will be handled in the order received. To maintain your priority, please do not hang up.
Wait, shush.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Whirlpool Consumer Direct Sales. This is Jim in Cleveland, Tennessee. And who am I speaking to today?
Can you repeat that?
This is Jim in Cleveland, Tennessee, for Whirlpool Corporation. How may I help you?
You in Tennessee?
Yes, sir.
I love Tennessee.
Okay.
Alright, so I just bought a refrigerator from you guys now but 2 days ago.
Yeah.
It broke. It broken. There are pieces all over my kitchen.
All right. Let me get you in
Pieces
the
falling
customer
off.
service.
Door falling off.
Hold on.
You have reached Whirlpool Factory Certified Care.
He
Our
put me on
offices are
hold.
currently closed. For your convenience, we invite you to visit our website at whirlpool.com and select Owner Center, where you can schedule a service appointment and perform many other services. If you'd like to leave a message, please press 1. Otherwise, please call back during normal business hours, Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. till 5 p.m., and Saturday, 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for contacting Whirlpool.
I'm just gonna say my freezer is on fire. What? Oh my god, he hung up.
Dude, tell him your water's on fire next.
He hung up on me. Wow. Can I borrow some money from you guys?
What can I say? Like, my water car on fire.
My water copper.